Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove unused rows and columns. So yeah, let's start with rows first. So what you're going to do, we need to select a few of them. So let's say we will select like that you can see these four. Now for the columns is basically the same thing. So you need to decide which columns you want to delete. So let's say this here. um, like that. Now to delete it, what you need to do is with the shortcut we will use Ctrl Alt and minus. If that doesn't work, uh, that you have non-standard browser or have a compatibility mode on, you may need to use different shortcut, which is Alt E and then D. This will basically open up, as you can see here, at the top, tools, edit, and then delete. And right here, then we have values, column J or note. So let's say we want to delete column E, press enter, and now we don't have this column anymore. The same thing is with the rows. So if I select this one, for example, and I go Alt, E, and D and delete row 15. Just like that, we have deleted row 15. So yeah, this is pretty much it. How to remove rows and columns. So I hope this video helped you out with the shortcuts on your keyboard. So yeah, if you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.